Flex up. Hey, flex up. I wanna flex my girl on. I need a tag, yeah. I want a bag, yeah. Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about.
Hey beautiful people, it's Honesty and I appreciate you for clicking on my video. Remember I told you guys that it's Jamaica Carnival Costume 2023. So I'm literally here. You should hear the music in the background. So we're gonna have a good time, guys. So be prepared to have a good time. See all the costumes for Jamaica Carnival 2023. See you guys later. Yes, thank you.
It is a candy party.
Plays hella high tech through the Getro.
This is soca music for over 10 years with your honey in.
I'ma make
everybody who came out to have some fun tonight.
Shawty on 10 finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up.
Put your hands on your knees. Hands on your knees.
So long. I need a bag. Flex up. I need a tag, yeah. Shawty on 10 finna go up.
What we know?
Come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga be. Ran, she all on my way. I never let them play me, but they play me. To my soil and the culture, I'm that chosen one. I do no wrong. Look in her eyes, she with an arm scar. They try to justify me going up. Told you I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. About it. Out of the mud, it's showing me love. My nigga, what's up? Out of my way.
It has been too long, but it's finally time for us to start tonight. Anybody been waiting too long? All you come here to see what some costumes. Welcome to Sweet Treats. Now I believe that carnival is all about the women. Some of the ladies who played mass at least once in their life they went on the road. If they went on the road before, somebody say yeah, yeah. If they're ready to go on the road in 2023, somebody say yeah. So here's what's going on. We are ready to present some costumes to you guys tonight. Love to the Xodus family. Love to the Bacchanal Jamaica family in the building as well. Tonight we represent unity, represent everything, culture, Caribbean. Let me start this tonight. It is time that we show you our presentation for Carnival in Jamaica for 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Xodus Sweet Treats. And remember that this is Xodus.
Can be traced back to about 2000 BC, when the ancient Egyptians satisfied their cravings for something sweet by mixing fruits and nuts with honey. However, it took 1500 years before that beverage could be sweetened with merely nourishing food, more than just a fast source of energy, a snack, or a sweet sensation. It can be a reward, comfort, or temptation.
We introduce you to our first section for tonight. This one is called the Sweet Talks.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up.
So that was Sweet Talks.
Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top from the baseline. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more.
I want to be cooler.
Pick it it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up, pick it up.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up.
And we come
Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighbor.
I wanna play my girl on.
the stage. This is Springfield.
Unless you talking numbers, we ain't speaking about the right things. Switch up on my
She
like nice things. She used to know me then, she like me now, that's funny timing. Eyes been on that prize, I copped that cribbo for that timepiece. I'm trying to see the glow, but I'll show some slightly. In the prime of my prime, easy. I said I never changed and leveled up. I guess I lied, yeah. Off that strain of potent just to feel like I'm alive, yeah. Mix that with that potion just to feel like I'm that guy, yeah. So know the one you talking to, you way outside your line, yeah. Go against the tribe, you lose your. Let me not even say this. I just ran out of my patience. I just got tired of waiting and got here myself. Want me to believe in the dream that they see for themselves but still doubt in themselves. They might as well light up the L. High top on 10 toe, drip retro. Talking major plays, hella high tech through the getro. Pin game, pin petrol. Just set it in the flesh hole. Send a text mail to make a drip drip with the left lobe in the left stroke. I'ma make plays, I'ma go long. Never look back so long. Yeah. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up. So long, I need a bag. Flex up, I need a tag.
We got Top Rocks.
Hey, come from the pit, I'm out of the trench, my nigga, we. Look at the dread, my nigga, we ran, she all on my way. I never let them play.
This is Honeydew.
Going off, look. Just got a bag, she wanna I think she know I'm star. I can't do no wrong, look in her eyes, she wouldn't know I'm scarred. They try to justify me going up like they don't know he raw. Off of that dough, just what they told you, I'm never sober. Gripping the split for the chip on my shoulder, trying to decode this. They label me thug, I keep it a buck, I don't give a fuck about it. Out of the mud, they showing me love, my nigga, what's up? Out of my way, bitch, I need the paper. What you want, I mean, I know later. I keep it short with the conversation. Out of my lane, the crew got a brain in the cockpit with no hands on it. I've been the man with the plan, homie. Flip that to the man with the bands on me and a passport with the stamps on it. Yeah. Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib, let me show love. Flex up.
Please. This one is called Licorice.
Shawty on 10, finna go up. Bring that to the crib. I'ma need safe.
2023. Who's ready?
Girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going. I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me, so praise God.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you took your videos. I hope you got some pictures. I want to remind everyone that the website is now live. And once again tonight is on 18 amazing sections. Sweet Tarts, Icebreaker, Cotton Candy, Skittles, Pop Rocks, Honeydew, Jolly Lolly, Milkshake, Dolce, and Licorice. Thank you so much. spread your arms in the sky and sing. Push up your two hands in the sky and sing right now.
Life and it tastes so exquisite, it feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hope it's romantic, my girl, chill up for the kid, I'm not on no simp. What's out to the youngest he dreams, wanna take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie, the fuck is your friendship. I need the loyalty, back up the royalty, I give a fuck if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me, big wave at your shoreline, so they know me. The new pen, go at ISO, tell them don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety, tell the op can't snake me. Ray gun, I'll say.
By the way, guys, I'm on the roadside just buying some food. Let me just show you guys what I got. 1 second. So guys, left the party and this is what I bought. 3 sprats and bread, and I'm on Malines Road. So yeah, after you leave a party, you know you have to snack on something. I didn't want any jerk chicken, so I'm gonna just pull up on a corner. By the way, guys, do you see how this light is given and it's lit? Like, wow. Remember in my last vlog I showed you guys the vlogging kit that I got from Amazon. Like, this is the quality. I'm in my car, it's dark outside, like, wow. This light, yeah, I'm gonna give it a good review on Amazon. So remember, go watch the previous vlog where I did the unboxing of this vlogging kit. The link is down below, so you guys can just click on the link and purchase that. It's also on my Amazon storefront. Again, I do have an Amazon storefront. If you guys purchase anything from it, or even still use the link and purchase whatever it is that you want, I get a little, you know. So go ahead and click the link down below, and yeah, just go, you know, yeah, just help a girl out. Okay, help home girl out by just clicking on our link, the Amazon. You know, you guys would have seen the carnival costumes for 2023. They were beautiful. Okay, they were beautiful. So I know which one I'm gonna get, but I'm not gonna say. You guys gonna have to wait till next year. But just so you know, you may have seen like majority of the costumes did not have any feathers, aka backpack. They did let us know that there was some delay in that customs has the feathers, has the backpack, so majority of the costumes did not have that. So we basically did not get to see like the full design of all the costumes because the feathers were missing. However, they are on the website. I checked it, they have posted it. I'm not seeing the prices as yet, but I'm sure they will upload the price soon. But they were beautiful nonetheless. Throughout the night, there were a lot of technical difficulties as relates to the music and stuff. But I mean, overall, it was an okay execution. But I'm just waiting for Carnival 2023. Like, that is my jam. Anyways, I really hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if you're coming to Jamaica Carnival 2023. If you don't live in Jamaica, if you live here, let me know if you're a carnival lover and you're interested in jumping in carnival. If it's your first time, if it's your regular, if you're a die-hard soca fan, like, comment down below and let me know. Subscribe if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, like, go ahead and subscribe. Yeah, so thank you guys so much. Okay, I appreciate everyone that watches my vlog, and I appreciate everyone who has subscribed. Thank you, and thank you again. Anyways, I will see you guys in another vlog. Thank you so much, and you guys take care and be well. Peace.